Meaning of fork.
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 Fork. Fork can have different meanings depending on the context. In computer programming, fork refers to a process of duplicating a program or process to create a new version that operates separately from the original. The result of forking a program is the creation of a separate copy with its own memory space, enabling it to operate independently of the original code. This can be useful for implementing parallel processing and resource management, but also introduces potential issues with synchronization and communication between the forked instances.